Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video of the fourth section of real-world projects with Java 11. Section 4, create your own chat application. In this video, we will be exploring the database of our application. So what is a database? Well, a database is a very efficient way to store data. In fact, it's the most common way we store data in big projects. Facebook uses a database as well as Google and, of course, Pact. A database consists of tables that consist of rows that consist of columns. Imagine a database is a really big storage location for Excel files, only it's managed with a very neat programming language called SQL. Or at least in our project, it will be SQL. By the way, this storage place needs to be hosted somewhere. We will be using for our database GearHost for hosting, which is a free service, as well as SQL for managing the data inside the database.